Every single day during the peak summer harvest, over 200 specialized trucks arrive, carrying
This facility accepts only vine-ripened tomatoes harvested at peak biological maturity, when the natural sugar content
cortiloids. The water-flume receiving system simultaneously cushions the impact of the initial dump and begins the gentle transfer. Water-Tuppering. Massive rotary washers aggressively scrub every surface of every individual tomato under extreme high-pressure water while the conditions.
The high-pressure sanitizing wash eliminates surface-borne bacteria, removes field dust and agricultural residue, and Optical sorting technology analyzes every single tomato for color intensity, shape regularity, and surface defects.
Any tomato displaying insufficient red color, green shoulders, visible mold, mechanical damage, or irregular shape is
The simple, humble tomato, washed clean and verified pure, now approaches the most violent transformation machine in the entire facility.
The primary crusher. Inside the colossal primary, whole tomatoes dramatic end in an explosion of controlled industrialization.
The crusher gap is precisely calibrated to completely rupture every tomato while beginning the initial separation of seeds and skins. The raw crushed slurry must be immediately heated to inactivate natural pectin-degrading enzymes that would otherwise finrise. Hot break technology flash heats the raw crushed tomato within seconds of pulping, instantly destroying the natural pectinous enzymes.
The rotary pulper uses centrifugal force to press the valuable red pulp and juice through a fine cylindrical screen.
The separated skin and seed waste represents approximately 5% of the incoming raw tomato weight and is recycled as agricultural. The screen's pure tomato pulp must now undergo aggressive vacuum concentration to remove excess water.
Italians. Vacuum evaporation gently removes over 60% of the water content from the raw tomato pulp at low temperatures.
The concentrate is set to precisely per now quarter and achieve the exact target
Proce. After hours of gentle vacuum concentration, the thin watery tomato juice has been transformed into a thick, dense paste.
The sacred cooking kettles are where concentrated tomato paste meets the carefully guarded proprietary seasoning blend.
Distilled white vinegar provides the essential tangy acidity that balances the natural tomato sweetness and acts as a natural preservation agent, extending commercial shelf life.
Pure refined granulated sugar counterbalances the natural acidity and enhances the characteristic sweet tang. The exact proprietary spice blend recipe is one of the most closely guarded trade secrets in the global food industry. Heavy continuous agitation ensures every molecule of the secret seasoning blend is perfectly uniformly distributed throughout the entire massive batch volume. The cooking temperature and duration are precisely calculated to fully marry and develop the complex flavors while achieving the exact. Trained sensory evaluation panels continuously taste test the cooking ketchup throughout the batch cycle, providing real-time feedback to the The acidity level directly controls both the characteristic tangy flavor intensity and the critical microbiological safety.
After exactly the prescribed cooking duration at the target temperature, the fully seasoned ketchup batch is declared complete and authorized for transfer to the homogenization system.
The homogenizer subjects the cooked ketchup to extreme hydraulic pressure, forcing it through microscopic gaps that
The microscopic valve gap subjects the ketchup to shearing forces exceeding 3000 psi, physically rupture.
The finished homogenized ketchup displays the characteristic perfectly uniform, high-gloss smooth surface and dense body that
The Bostwick consistometer test is the definitive standardized measurement of ketchup viscosity, precisely quantifying the If the Bostwick reading indicates the ketchup is flowing too fast, the entire batch must be returned for additional concentration. Air removal is critical because trapped oxygen bubbles accelerate oxidative browning reactions that would progressively darken the bright red color during the commercial shelf life.
The holding tank temperature is carefully maintained at exactly the optimal viscosity point for clean, automated.
Continuous inline viscosity monitoring ensures the ketchup maintains an absolute constant body throughout the entire production run.
The mature, fully processed ketchup now approaches the final consumer packaging operation, where it will be precisely dispensed into. The inline pasteurizer raises the finished ketchup to the legally mandated lethal temperature, ensuring total destruction of.
The precise time-temperature combination has been scientifically validated to achieve complete commercial sterility. Immediate rapid cooling after pasteurization prevents continued thermal degradation that would progressively darken the bright red color and develop undesirable cooked-off flavors.
The transcription for the 8-second video is: fill temperature directly affects volume accuracy because the thick ketchup.
Normal batch release requires verification that every single process parameter from tomato receiving through pasteurization has been documented and confirmed within specification. With formal release authorization confirmed, the automated valve system opens the flow path and the approved ketchup begins. The bottling environment operates under stringent positive air pressure and ISO cleanroom conditions to prevent.
Continuous HEPA-filtered positive air pressure creates an invisible protective curtain of pure, sterile air flowing downward over the open container during the vulnerable filling.
The dedicated quality laboratory operates continuous analytical and sensory testing throughout every production shift. Formally trained sensory evaluation panelists provide the ultimate human verification that the ketchup meets the
Outlays. The retained sample archive preserves a physical reference from every production batch, enabling retrospective investigation.
Total soluble solids measurement by refractometry provides an independent verification of concentration level, confirming salt concentration directly affects both the characteristic flavor intensity and the critical water activity level. Containers. The continuous feedback loop between the quality laboratory and the production floor ensures any developing trend is identified. The bottling department transforms anonymous industrial-scale bulk ketchup into millions of individually consumer-ready goods. Bottom-up filling minimizes air incorporation and prevents foam generation by maintaining the nozzle tip submerged beneath the rising
Vistas. Each filling nozzle dispenses the exact net weight with accuracy within 1 gram, verified by integrated precision.
The nozzle retraction speed is precisely calibrated to produce a clean string break without any messy dripping that would continue.
Cooltons. The heated cap creates an airtight hermetic vacuum seal upon cooling, guaranteeing absolute long-term product
Post-fill inversion pasteurization ensures the hot ketchup contacts and thermally.
Tablum. The facility fills both traditional glass bottles and modern plastic squeeze bottles on separate dedicated lines, serving
Squeeze bottle filling requires an inverted orientation technique where the ketchup enters through the dispensing valve end, filling the bottle from the narrow cap upward toward the wider base.
Every label must be applied with precise positional accuracy, as consumers instantly notice and reject any bottle where the label. The finished consumer-ready bottles now flow toward the final packaging stage, where they will be grouped, case-packed, palletized. Robotic case erectors transform flat corrugated blanks into rigid open shipping cases at rates exceeding 60 perfectly formed cases per minute. Delta robot arms use extreme coordinated speed to group and place fragile filled glass bottles precisely into partitioned cases without any breakage risk. The palletizing algorithm optimizes the interlocking layer pattern for maximum transport stability under the dynamic forces of truck acceleration and braking.
The final shipping label enables full supply chain visibility from the factory floor to the retail store shelf through standardized global barcode tracking systems.
Bands. The climate-controlled warehouse stores thousands of completed pallets, protecting the ketchup from temperature extremes that could affect. The automated storage system maintains strict first-in, first-out rotation, ensuring consistent product freshness for the end consumer. Distribution logistics operate continuously to ensure ketchup products reach retail shelves nationwide within the shortest time frame. Each departing trailer carries enough product to supply an entire metropolitan region's restaurants and supermarkets for a full distribution cycle.
From the elevated nerve center, senior process engineers monitor every crusher, evaporator, cooking kettle, homogenizer.
Even microscopic homogenizer valve gap adjustments directly affect the finished ketchup viscosity and smooth texture across millions of bottles. The master board provides comprehensive operational overview, immediately flagging any deviation requiring engineering intervention.
Rigorous preventive maintenance of the extreme pressure homogenizer components prevents catastrophic mechanical failure during the intense operational forces.
Structured daily planning ensures critical preventive maintenance is correctly prioritized before each production shift begins. Team. The factory maintains close partnerships with tomato farming operations, providing agronomic feedback to continuously improve.
We picked these just this morning. The quality seems excellent.
Indeed, the color and firmness are ideal.
I am logging this as premium grade.
The continuous flow of bright red liquid through transparent factory pipelines creates a mesmerizing visual spectacle that even
when darkness falls, the relentless mechanical heart of the ketchup factory continues its eternal crimson rhythm without pause.
Autonomous cooking systems maintain the exact prescribed temperature and agitation profiles through the night, with minimal remote supervision.
One solitary engineer commands the entire autonomous facility alone through the night.
Millions of sealed bottles march relentlessly toward the warehouse, without human eyes watching.
The massive storage tanks drain steadily through the night, feeding the relentless cooking and bottling machines.
Even in total darkness, the facility maintains absolute clinical sterility automatically.
An eternal river of iconic red condiment flows relentlessly through the darkness, destined for millions of tables worldwide. From ripe red tomato to a sealed iconic bottle, the intricate automated choreography is absolute staggering perfection. Modern robotic engineering has brilliantly transformed humble tomato farming into a genuinely awe-inspiring industrial condiment empire.
One tiny, iconic bottle, born from a staggering 2 million total bottles produced today.
This mammoth facility stands as a testament to the power of modern food automation technology.
It all begins here, in the warm, rich soil of a sun-drenched agricultural valley. Nature grows.
The factory exists in eternal balance, raw harvest arriving at one end, while bottled crimson perfection departs endlessly from the other.
The extraordinary industrial journey culminates in this simple, everyday moment, a familiar red squeeze adding flavor to a meal.
And so the eternal harvest cycle continues, raw red tomatoes entering one end, perfect condiment emerging endlessly from the other.
The cycle continues. As one shift departs having produced 2 million bottles, fresh workers sustain the rhythm.
From above, the breathtaking scale becomes comprehensible. 800 tons of tomatoes transformed into 2 million bottles daily.
The critical hot break process preserves maximum natural viscosity by instantly inactivating the enzymes before they can thin the product.
With every system at capacity and fresh harvest flowing, the facility reaches its full, magnificent operational potential.
The extraordinary journey of steel, fire, and tomatoes culminates in this simple, joyful moment at a family meal.
The humble ketchup bottle, ripe tomatoes, secret spices, and behind it, a breathtaking empire of